back awning on where we're replacing the sheet metal roofing that they have right here, and that is it that we all cut up right there, took it off. We're going to replace the metal, and then we're also going to put a protective roller or a sealant waterproof over it, and that way there is no leak. Alright, so we just finished here. We're cleaning up. As you can see, we redid all of the metal panel roofing that's right here. It's super clean. It was crinkled all before. It had a bunch of nails sticking out everywhere. Then we top coated it with, it's called Roof Shield. And this is going to be a waterproof sealant for metal roofing. And it's got a little gutter system in it right there. Looking pretty nice. And this is kind of a step back off the ladder, a little backpack.